Ever dreamed of turning your creativity into a clothing brand? Today, we're diving into how you can start your very own custom t-shirt printing business right from home or your studio. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find your niche. Are you targeting streetwear lovers, gym enthusiasts, or custom family shirts? Research trends on Instagram, Etsy, or Pinterest, and look for gaps in the market. Design is everything. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, or even hire a freelancer from Fiverr if design isn't your thing. Now choose your printing method: DTG, direct-to-garment, great for full color and small batches. Screen printing, ideal for bulk orders. Heat press vinyl, good for logos and team gear. Next, source high-quality blank tees from suppliers like Bella Canvas, Gildan, or AS Color. You'll also need a printer, heat press, or even partner with a print-on-demand service like Printful or Printify. Create a killer brand, name, logo, and vibe. Build an online store with Shopify or Etsy. Don't forget your social presence. Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest can drive massive traffic. Start with influencer collaborations, run Facebook or Instagram ads, and showcase behind the scenes to build trust. Launch with a giveaway or limited drop for hype. Once orders pick up, reinvest in better equipment or hire help. Keep releasing new designs and listen to customer feedback to grow consistently. Starting a custom t-shirt business is easier than ever in 2025. With creativity, a bit of hustle, and the right tools, you can turn your passion into profit. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.